Hazrat Moosa bin Anas radiyallahu anhu, giving the account of the battle of Yamama, said, my father Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu went to Hazrat Thabit bin Qais radiyallahu anhu while he was applying perfume exposing his thighs. He, Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu, said, uncle, what is hindering you from going with us on jihad? He said, O nephew, I will be with you in a moment, and he kept on applying perfume. Then he went and sat among the mujahideen, and unraveling the people's affairs, he said, when the enemy would be in front of us, we would fight steadfastly with them, but we did not fight along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the way you fight now. You have developed a bad habit in your opponents. Hamad has narrated it from Sabit and he from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2845.